Shopping time. Student book, page 68. Objectives of this lesson. By the end of this lesson, students will be able to: number one, identify 14 words of places of shopping. Students recognize the differences and variety in products sold in all types of shops. What is the name of the shop? Look at the picture and try to determine what is the name of the shop. What do you think this shop sells? Look carefully and decide what is the activity of this shop. Yeah, it's a pharmacy. It's a pharmacy. Or sometimes we call it chemists. We call it chemists. What it sells? What products does a pharmacy sell? It sells medicines, toothbrushes, and Panadol, and etc. You can decide what you buy from a pharmacy. Oh, look, we have here some jewels, gold, necklaces, bracelets. It's jewelers. It's jewelers. What it sells? It sells rings, earrings, necklaces, and other things made of gold or diamond, all types of jewelry. What is this shop? What does it sell? It's a book shop. It's a book shop. It sells what's the first part of the name. It sells books and dictionaries. It sells books and dictionaries. As you can see from the picture, we have here newspapers. What is the name of the shop? News agents. News agents. What it sells? It sells papers and magazines. It sells papers and magazines. Here, can you decide what is the name of this shop? It's a supermarket. It's a supermarket. Or sometimes we call here in Bahrain, we call here cold store. Yeah, we call it cold store. What it sells? We can buy tea, sugar, cheese, and eggs, and other things from a cold store or a supermarket. What is the name of this shop? It's flowers shop. It's flowers shop. You can see the beautiful flowers and roses. We call it florists. We call it also florists. What it sells? It sells flowers and roses. What are the girls doing in this picture? The girls are picking, and on the other side we can see a man picking. What is the name of the shop? It's bakers, or sometimes we call it a bakery. What it sells? It sells bread and cakes. It sells bread and cakes. What is the name of the shop that sells these items? Greengrocers. It's greengrocers. What it sells? It sells tomatoes, carrots, onions, and bananas, and other vegetables or fruits. Can you decide what is the name of this shop? It's a butcher's. It's a butcher's. What it sells? It sells meat, beef, and steak. Here